I don't think many places taste better than mine.
Never enough daily. Guy's been here 3 days, barely eaten anything.
Big pot cooking, big pot cooking.
10 yuan, all you can eat.
Hey everyone, I'm Brother Yao. When you mention Heng Shui, everyone thinks of Laobagan liquor. But Heng Shui's big pot cooking is also famous. I heard there's an old chef's big pot place here. That's really amazing.
Old chef, big pot.
How much cabbage today?
Over 100 pounds.
Should we scoop out these ingredients?
Yeah, scoop them out. Can't use these.
Just for making the oil right. Why doesn't my food get greasy?
Because the oil's good exactly.
Now we start cooking right.
It's all made with sauce.
Adding cabbage. 1 pot.
2 pots.
Now winter melon.
Big pot cooking's hard work.
Oh, man. Over 100 pounds of food.
How old are you?
Almost what age? Almost 70?
Almost 70.
What strength? Third pot?
Add some salt.
Many big pot cooks in Heng Shui.
Too many. How's the taste you made?
Think. Not many places taste better than mine. Can't say mine's the best. Can't say that.
Just tastes a bit better than most places.
There's a bucket of cabbage. The pork smells great.
Sir, how long you been making big pot dishes?
7 years now.
Had a stall when I was in the army.
Worked at Queasy's for years. Back home at Hangbai Temple.
That's my thing, making big pot dishes, right?
Where'd you serve?
Suzhou.
Tofu's going in. This is sweet potato noodles, right?
Noodles, why soak them in water?
Can't do that. Cold water fills them up. Won't absorb the broth. No flavor.
Take it out, gotta add meat right.
How much meat's this?
25-pound shallots.
Whole pot of meat, check out pots full of braised meat.
Sell out by noon.
Sold out.
Never enough daily, always short.
Short dozens of portions daily.
Then we're sold out. Customers can't get any.
None left. In the small pot, been here 3 days. Barely ate.
Why use a small pot for one portion?
You are always short. My pot's never enough daily. Never enough. So I added a small pot.
One big pot. One small pot, right? How many servings total?
If none's left over, 130 servings, 130.
130 is pretty good, right?
Add more chicken powder, right?
No, we wait for it to finish, yeah. This is Fengmeng steamed bread.
Ready to set up shop, right?
Let's go.
Time to make money?
Make money.
Pretty heavy.
Big pot meal, big pot meal!
$10, all you can eat.
This one's takeout.
Takeout can't do the $10 special.
Gotta charge extra for the bread. Oh,
Bread's all you can take, right?
get a bowl plenty of rice and meat.
Folks come here often for this big pot meal.
Sure does.
What's the most bowls someone can eat?
Most they eat is 2 bowls.
2 bowls max. So selling 2 bowls means you lose money.
You losing money or just breaking even?
They're not making money. Profit's got to be really low, right? I saw some takeout orders with 4 buns.
Dying gets 3 or more.
4 costs less, but it's still quite a bit.
Bro, is this big pot dish good? It's good.
You come here often, yeah.
Is 1 bowl enough?
One's too much.
Need 1.5 right.
How many buns?
I'll start with 1 bowl.
Looks really good to me too.
The meat's incredibly flavorful, kind of like Suzhou's braised pork. This big pot dish, what makes it different from other big pot dishes is it doesn't look greasy at all and tastes even less oily. This big pot dish might look like a random mix, but there's real skill in making it. His method's traditional.
Each ingredient stir, fried separately, then everything stewed together at the end.
Some places just throw everything in one pot and stew, but that doesn't taste as good. Probably because it's way too greasy.
Let's do it.
Let's eat together.
We'll make more to eat. Wait a sec.
Get through it.
我学书的. There's still some left.
Is his big pot dish good?
It's good,
Been here before.
Come often.
1 bowl enough.
1 bowl's much.
Need more bowl and a half.
How many buns?
师傅.
Ayo.
Sure thing. Boss, uncle comes here a lot.
Right comes here often.
Regular customer exactly.
Tastes good. Delicious. It's already pretty packed. Barely any seats left.
Uncle's getting another half bowl.
Another half bowl?
Great. Eat well.
Less than an hour. What's left of the food?
About half an hour.
A big pot.
A small pot these dishes are left.